Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Woodward. I'm a team leader with Usborne Books and More, and today we are going to be talking about our Wipe Clean products. Now, why would you want to buy a Wipe Clean product? Well, Wipe Clean products are fantastic for writing readiness skills. So they are great to be practicing pen control, and they are great for practicing and learning letters and different activities that go along with writing and writing readiness skills. So our Wipe Clean books go all the way from the appropriateness of about age 3, when they are actually able to pick up and hold a pen, all the way up through the beginning years of elementary school. So let's take a look at some of our writing readiness books. So we have the Wipe Clean Ready for Writing and Wipe Clean Pen Control. There's also a beginning pen control book as well. I love the Ready for Writing book because it actually goes through straight lines, and each page features a different shape. So this one is squares and rectangles, and then you do triangles and zigzags. So the child follows the dotted line on each one of the pages in order to trace over each of the different things on the pages, which are great for learning how to hold a pen and how to put pen to paper in a way that is still fun, because when they make a mistake, then they just wipe it clean. The Wipe Clean books, they are very, very durable, and they hold up very, very well. They don't leave the film on them that many Wipe Clean products do, and you can use the pen that comes with it, or any other Expo marker or other dry erase utensil. Crayola even makes a dry erase crayon now, and they will work on these books as well. So ones that I like to recommend for preschool are the Wipe Clean Writing Numbers, Wipe Clean Lowercase Letters, and Wipe Clean Capital Letters. I love these particular books because they go through each of the different letters or numbers, and they give them a line down at the bottom for them to be able to practice with the start point. And the writing numbers goes all the way up to 20 of writing instead of just 10. That is what happens in many of the books. I also very much like that there is a real world example. So there's the straight down here, and then the two circles for the 8 here. So every page has a real world example, as well as the line to be able to practice the letter or the number down at the bottom. So these are my top picks for preschool and kindergarten. As we know, they're still practicing their numbers at that point. And then once they get into kindergarten, I definitely recommend these. The Wipe Clean First Math, which goes through basic addition and basic subtraction, and also includes some word problems. So it's great for incorporating all of the different components of math. And also the action words to copy and common words to copy. So as they start getting into learning how to spell, we want them to start working on nouns and verbs and learning how to spell some of those basic sight words that go along with learning how to read in kindergarten. And then finally, for our kiddos who like to have a little fun with their Wipe Clean books too, although those are still very fun, we have Wipe Clean actual books that are activity books. So we have a Dinosaurs, Travel, Pirate, Farm, and these just take you through all kinds of different fun activities like puzzles and spot the difference and drawing, but still lots of fun Wipe Clean activities. These are great for car and traveling, just great for a rainy day of things that you need to do that are not quite messy, because we need some days where there's not a lot of mess. And then finally, we have these Wipe Clean cards. So we have Travel Doodles, 100 Things for Little Children to Do on a Trip, and Animal Doodles. So each one of these boxes comes with 50 Wipe Clean cards. This particular set that I have here is 100 Things for Children to Do on a Trip. So what I like to do with them is hole punch them and put them on a binder ring. And then we take them with us whenever we go to the doctor, or if we have to go to anywhere in the car. It fits nicely in that pocket behind their seat. And so we have these whenever we're on the go and I need something for them to do that's very quiet and small in their lap, and I put it on a binder ring so that I don't lose them. So restaurants, doctor's office, car rides, anything. So those are our Wipe Clean cards, and I definitely recommend these packages. The Animal Doodles for probably the younger ones, 3+, because there's a lot of drawing on them and not a lot of writing. Or reading, I'm sorry. Next to the Travel Doodles, because this is a combination of drawing and some writing. or reading. And then the 100 Things for Little Children to Do on a Trip. This one is more puzzle based, and so there is an element of reading that they would need to do in order to do those. So I would recommend those for ages 6 to 7. So those are some of the options that we have available in the Wipe Clean. Again, it's great to have these writing readiness tools at our disposal, and then they're easy to clean up and they're fun to play with, which makes them very engaging for kids. So remember, all kids deserve books. Thank you.